Please like and subscribe for more tips and skills. Thanks for joining us for real world survival tips for the modern CNA. Using disposable wipes will begin in
Okay, so in some instances, there will be times where a resident will have a very large BM or extra fluids that you will need to clean using wipes. So a rule for the wipes is that once they have entered the room, they must remain in the resident's room because due to infection control reasons, it is now contaminated. So first, I'm going to apply gloves. And then I'm going to place a trash bag in the bed with the resident for infection control reasons, and the bag must not be on the floor. Okay. Now I'm going to open up the package, and I usually like to fold it backwards, that way I'm not having to mess with it too much. And now, Ms. Jones, I'm going to move you onto your left side. And expose the back area, and then you grab a wipe, and just like with the washcloths, you take one side and wipe front to back, and then you move the wipe again, and then now wipe again front to back, and then you move the wipe again to another part, wipe front to back, and then whenever you're finished using the wipe, you'll place it in the trash bag in the resident's bed, and then you'll dispose of your gloves into the trash bag as well.
Please like and subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, or visit us at www.faithforwardacademy.com.